Let us fellows, one more our student got job as an associate software engineer in a big company. Now how he got this job, what hard work he did to get this job, how he cracked this interview, everything he will go to share to you people. Please listen to me. At first, in the month of September, I came to Q Spiders Kolkata. At first, I was excited to get this knowledge and all, and I was eager to get any job because my friends told that here I can get some job opportunities. So I joined here, and I have not much expectation, but it's said that let's see what will happen. But I've started gaining knowledge and all, and every of my trainers have helped me in this journey and helped me gain knowledge, and also said about these opportunities are coming. Are you applying or not? And I was applying, but no, not getting any reply from any company. But later, Iskesa told me that there is an opportunity here. So I applied there and cracked the interview, and now I'm getting this job. And thank you, Chris Brothers. Congratulations. All the best. Thank you, sir.